Wanna know how to use the Battlefield chat in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, simply open up your Mobile Legends application. You should be on the Battlefield or you should be inside the game first. Now, once you're in the game, right here you can see on the right side this small chat icon. So you just simply select it. And once I've selected this icon, here you can see various chats or quick chats you can just simply type in. So you can just simply select any one of these. So it will go with a quick chat just like this. And now right here you can just also select mini emojis and stuff. With that you can also type in custom by selecting tap to enter right here. And once that is done, you can just simply tap in any text and send it. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.